Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into Sheetify Bookkeeping and share how you can bulk upload transactions from your bank account. This is a quick activity that you can do on a weekly or monthly basis to stay on top of your transactions being added to your Sheetify Bookkeeping toolkit. Okay, so let's quickly download and upload our bank transactions to our income sheet as well as our expense sheet. Let's first jump back over to income and let's upload our income transactions. First, what we need to do is open up a fresh Google Sheets file. As you can see, I've gone ahead and done that. Then take your time to log into your bank provider and download your bank transactions as a CSV file. Once you've done that, click on File, Import, then select Upload. Here's the CSV file that I downloaded from my bank account. Click on Open, and then import data. Okay, so your file, your bank transactions will look slightly different to mine. Every bank can be different in terms of the columns, the information that's going to be downloaded into the CSV file. I've also taken the time to delete some sensitive information for this video. Now there's three key columns that we want. The first is the transaction date, the second is the description, and then the column amount. So those are the three essential columns that we want to use. Okay, so I'm going to delete these unnecessary columns and show you what your sheet should look like before we transfer and upload our transactions to Sheetify Bookkeeping. Okay, so you want to delete the columns here so that you have 5 columns. Column A, the transaction date, column B, empty, column C, description, column D, empty, and column E, amount. Now, if we jump back over to Sheetify Bookkeeping, you'll see we have these 5 columns here. We want to pull in the date, the description, as well as the amount. Now, if you want to add ID or code or additional notes here, then what you can do is jump back to the spreadsheet, your CSV file, and add code or ID in here, and then 3 columns across, you could add notes down here. Okay, we're going to keep it simple. Okay, now with these transactions, all we need to do is identify income coming in and expenses going out. To do that, right-click on E or the amount column and click on Sort Z to A. And here we have positive numbers and the rest are negative numbers. So these are expenses and these are our income from this bank account. So all we need to do is highlight our income transactions, right-click, copy, and then jump over to Sheetify Bookkeeping, and under the income sheet, simply click under a transaction, under date, then select special paste and values only, and your transactions will be added. Now, like I said, if you have an ID, that will be added here too. Then like any bookkeeping system, all we need to do is reconcile these transactions. So this income transaction here, for example, could be a web service, this could be affiliate income, and this transaction could be in-person sales, and that will reconcile our transactions. The tax is automatically added based on what we have set up in settings. Now let's go ahead and do the same with expenses. Navigate back over to your spreadsheet, your transaction spreadsheet. Now that we've added our income transactions, go ahead and delete these, and then we want to add our expense transactions. First, what we're going to do is highlight this, all our expense transactions, navigate up to Edit, Find and Replace, add the negative symbol, replace with nothing, and click on Replace All, and then Done. And that's going to remove the negative symbol if your expense transactions have that negative symbol. Okay, that's all we need to do. Let's highlight all these transactions, right-click, copy, jump back over to Sheetify Bookkeeping, the Expense tab, and under the next empty date row, right-click, Paste Special, and Values Only. And again, similar to your expense transactions, simply reconcile those transactions. As you can see, it's incredibly straightforward. And all those income and expense transactions will flow onto your different dashboards. Monthly, annual, 5-year, dashboard, custom dashboard, comparison, sales tax, balance sheet, and profit and loss statement. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's jump back over to our expense tab. As you can see, this process will only take a few minutes each week or each month, depending on your process. This will save you a ton of time rather than manually adding each transaction separately. Now, if you're completely new to Sheetify Bookkeeping, I will add an overview video up above and down below in the description for you to check out. Also, if you're interested in our other business toolkits, our Sheetify CRM, Projects, and Inventory toolkits, I will add relevant tutorials and information down below in the description. However, that is it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.